Today I'm going to show you a new niche that is making $100 per day, without showing your face or filming anything with camera. Also, you don't need any money to get started. To make $100 per day, anyone can do this, and work from his or her home with just a laptop or a smartphone with internet connection. But before I show you the niche that is popping off on YouTube, give us a like and subscribe, it will be appreciated. Additionally, if you want more details on YouTube automation, click the link to the free masterclass in the description. It's not mine, but it came from someone who will reveal more secrets to you. So the niche is called personal development, and watch the full video because we are going to cover every bit of information on how you can get started, quick and easy. And before I continue this video, I want you to know how much I appreciate you for watching this video till end. Thank you so much again. So the channel you can model is called Stellar Thoughts. This channel talks about personal development topics, using only free stock footage and using text on his videos with a voiceover like this.
Which is not always the same as what I wanted. But let me put your mind at ease.
Now on the topic of how to make these videos and find the right topic for content. You can search on Google for an article on the topic to write the script of your video or pay someone on Fiverr or Upwork. For inspiration purposes, you can click on any video of these channel, and then click on 3 dots here, then transcripts, and you can see how they write their script and take inspiration from it, and also don't full copy paste it because it's not good or ethical. For voiceover, I recommend you to use your own voice, because no one can see you, so they don't know who is it. But if you are shy and think your voice is not good enough, you can use text-to-speech software which sound like a human, like Well Said Labs, or Murph.ai. For free stock footage you can use Pexel.com or Pixabay. And to edit your videos for free, you can use this software like InShot, or Canva, which are great software to begin. Hope you liked it, and if yes, give us a like and share. Take care and have fun making lots of money. And before I end this video, I want you to know how much I appreciate you for watching this video till end. Thank you so much again.